How to use Square to sell tickets online. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell tickets online using Square. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Square, you could also use my affiliate link below the description for earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Square, it is an all-in-one platform for business management, payment processing, and e-commerce solutions, in which it offers a suite of tools designed to help businesses of all sizes accept payments, manage operations, and grow their customer base. And Square provides easy-to-use hardware such as card readers, terminals, and registers for in-person payments, as well as software for online transactions, invoicing, and recurring bill. And the platform also includes robust features for inventory management. And now to create an account on Square, you could also click the link in the description or click the sign in button right here, where you can start signing up. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page or the homepage of squareup.com. And on the left side panel, it will show us a variety of options to choose from. But to proceed, kindly click the items button in here on the left side panel. And upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed in here, in which under item library, kindly click create an item. And by doing so, it will show you on this pop-up window what type of item do you want to create. And we have here a variety of options, but just click or choose event to sell tickets and events. It includes location, address, as well as times. But you also have here physical goods, digital, donation, and prepared food and beverage. But now to proceed, kindly click the next button on the top panel, and after that, you'll automatically be directed once again on the next stage or the next step of this process, which is this one. And in creating an item, just simply proceed by entering here the name of the event of the ticket that you are selling. For example, I'm going to enter here concert for a cause. And after that, below here, you could also enter the description about this event and even choose the color in here. Or alternatively, you can simply choose an image from your image library or simply upload from your computer files. And click update images button to proceed. However, at this point, you could also choose or select here the color only for our ticket. So at this point, I'm just going to select here this color green. Now below, just simply enter the description or also upload or drag and drop images in here from your computer files. Now below here, just simply enter also the locations of the event or where the event will be held. So from here, as you can see, you can simply search in here the location by simply entering here this one. For example, I'm going to enter Square or Times Square in here in New York. However, upon entering here the location, it will show you that there are no results found below here. So at this point, I'm just going to select the default one. Moving on, we could also categorize in here by selecting the category. Now under event details, you could also tell your visitors when and where the event will be held. For example, I'm going to choose online as the location type. And below, we can simply enter here the location of the event. For example, at this point, I'm just going to enter youtube.com. And under date and time, just simply select here the date where the event will be started, and the time of here is this one by simply selecting here. For example, I'm going to select the time where the event will be started on 2 p.m. and it will end on February 1 in here. And again, just simply select here the time where the event will be end. For example, 7 a.m. And after that, just below, you simply select here the time zone, depending on the address or location of the event. And below, it will show you under this option section that we can add an option of variety if you have different kind of size, color, or material of the different tickets, such as VIP and many more. But moving on to this unit section, you can add here the additional unit to track and measure this item. And under variations, I'm going to enter here the price of it, which is $150 for example. And you could also add the low stock alert or manage the stock in here, in which by simply clicking manage stock on this pop-up window, you can simply enter the available or track the number of tickets that are available to sell. And after that, you can also simply enter here the reason and just enter the amount in here of unit. And just click the done button on the top right corner to proceed. By closing this one, we can now proceed under these modifiers, custom attributes, or checkout behavior that we'll also turn on if you want to. But moving on to the sell online, from here we can start creating a Square online site to generate a payment link or discover third-party channels. But if you're not done, just click the save button on the top right corner, in which by doing so, it will automatically be directed us on this page, and it will show us that the ticket has now been successfully saved. And by clicking these three dots, we can edit this, duplicate, update categories, set as non-taxable, put it in our archive, update the low stock alert, or even delete this ticket. And using this platform Square, it provides a seamless, efficient, and customizable solution for event organizers to manage ticket sales and enhance the customer experience. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Square to sell tickets online. Thank you.